I just paid 50 bucks for these 2 giant boxes of used Lego I found online. This giant green brick alone is an official Lego storage container that goes for about $40 by itself. So right off the bat, the deal feels pretty good. We're gonna start with the yellow box first and see if this was an amazing score or a total scam. I was looking for an easy way to get my piece count up, and for 50 bucks, the risk felt totally worth it. The listing was pretty simple. Lego brick storage and assorted pieces. First was the massive green 8-stud Lego storage brick. These things are great for organization, but they're also huge, so my guess is the seller just wanted her storage space back. The second box is a yellow creative brick box. These are basically starter sets. You can find them at Target, Meijer, Walmart, and they're usually packed with a ton of colorful bricks. In this case, the box is in pretty good shape, save for a couple of dings. So let's get into it. Let's open it up. I noticed in the ad that there were some sealed bags, but I didn't know how many. Got 1, 2, 3, 4. We have some minor pieces here. This doesn't look like Lego, but I'll have to look into that. They're an off-brand of some sort. We got 2 bag 3s. I have no idea. Let's see, 2 bag 3s. This is probably the best thing I could find is actually sealed bags. It's unfortunate that it's just bag 3, but maybe the rest of the... Oh boy. Sometimes you get junk in here that you do not want to see. A Skittle? I found a Skittle. No, I'm not gonna. That's gross. Wash your hands before, during, and after. I have to wash my hands soon. We got a die. That's fun. This looks like a minifigure something. Looks like some minifigure hair. That's good. I think this is a minifigure. Maybe this is a space thing. Yeah, that looks like a space torso. All Lego pieces have Lego written on them in tiny, tiny letters. Not Lego. You can see the little insignia, and the same insignia is on these. If you catch the light just right, you can see it. But as you can see on these pieces, as you know Lego, you can see Lego. Oh yeah, this is a perfect example of how tiny the text is. Tiny, tiny, tiny text. And that's what I'm looking for. That's interesting. It's got some logo on it, some paramedic kind of thing. A lot of Mega Blocks. Yeah, I don't know if you can tell, but like these are the Mega Blocks, I think, or something close to it. They're like rounded. They're more rounded. This is not a Lego piece, and it looks soft. And I don't know how to explain it. I found these little minifigures. Someone is selling these online. They're vintage 70s Tatco minifigures. They're selling them for $665. The next set, which is the Lego set 11019 Bricks and Functions. So that makes sense. It's got these, little swirly doos, as you could see there. How many of these pieces actually belong here? So that looks like there's 3 bags, and it looks like some of these pieces are actually in this. Those look like pieces we have. Maybe there's some more pieces in the other box that we're missing. Is that a keyboard? Yeah, okay. Yeah. So there's the keys for this. This is great. This is awesome. So I figured out this set is part of 31117 Space Shuttle Adventure. I found one of the dials in the bag, something that's pretty unique. So I took a picture of that, and it looks like there's only 2 sets that piece actually went into. And I looked at the pictures, and you see a minifigure with this little helmet, and it has the astronaut's hair, has the astronaut body. So here's where we stand after opening the first box. We have a lot of colorful bricks, 3 to 4 factory sealed bags that belong to 2 specific sets, 31117 Space Shuttle Adventure, and 11019 Bricks and Functions. In terms of cash value, the Space Shuttle set is retired and is now priced at $57. The Bricks and Functions set is priced at $45, and these Tatco minifigures are roughly $7. for a total of roughly around $109. That estimated price from Brick Economy is only for sealed sets, which I don't have, so the price is actually going to be quite lower. This is just a ballpark. The $109 total doesn't include the value of the green box that we're going to get into next week. It's not bad if you ask me. Next, we go to the big green box. Are there going to be instruction manuals in there for all this stuff? Are there going to be more pieces? Am I going to find the other 2 bags for the space shuttle? Thank you for joining me for part 1 of this treasure hunt. If you want to see what's in the green storage brick, give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss part 2. Let me know in the comments what you think is in the green storage brick. See you next time.